Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
Okay, so last class started this chapter similar triangles, right? Similar triangles. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ two types of figures ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ first of all, right? So one is similar figures, another one is congruent figures. So what do you mean by similar figures? Congruent figures. First, congruent figures ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ figures having same size as well as same shape ಅಲ್ವಾ? Congruent figures. Congruent figures means figures with same shape and same size, same shape as well as same size. Similar figures means same shape but need not be same size alva. Same size irbeku antilla, not same size. So therefore idrinda ನಾವು ಏನು ಒಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಏನದು all congruent figures are similar. All congruent figures are similar because ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ congruent figures similar ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Because congruent figures have same size as well as same shape, so that satisfies the criteria of similar figures. So similar figures ಗೆ same shape ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, so ಅದನ್ನ satisfy ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So therefore all congruent figures are similar figures. So whether converse true agata, whether converse holds good? Converse, that means all similar figures are congruent figures agata? No, because ella similar figures allo they don't have a same size, that doesn't satisfy the criteria for congruency. So therefore converse doesn't holds good. Converse is not true. That is all similar figures are not congruent figures. So this is related to figures, right? But we are dealing with polygons. In mathematics ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Polygons ಜೊತೆ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. So we have some criteria to say two polygons are congruent or similar. So congruency ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು lower classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, but this year you are going to study about similarity. So two polygons are said to be similar. Two polygons are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so this is the first condition. Next one is corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. For example, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So let me consider equilateral triangle of 3 cm and equilateral triangle of 5 cm. So this is 3 cm. So equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, right? A, B, C. And another one is PQR. So with each side 5 cm. So this is 3 cm triangle, that is 5 cm equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal to 60 degrees. So all the angles are equal to 60 degrees. So observe here. So corresponding angles are equal, right? So I can say ABC, triangle ABC is similar. So this is the symbol for similar. So congruence are ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ equals ಕೂಡ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ last year. So but this year equality ಇಲ್ಲ, just similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. PQR. Okay, so observe here. So angle A is 60, angle P is 60. So corresponding angles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. So corresponding angles are equal. It satisfies the first condition. Equilateral triangle in first condition satisfy. So next, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. So that means AB by PQ. This is corresponding side, right? AB, corresponding side, AB by PQ. So AB by PQ will be equal to, AB is 3 centimeter, PQ is 5 centimeter. AB by PQ is 3 by 5. Okay, so let me consider another side, BC. Corresponding side for BC is QR, which will be equal to, BC is 3 centimeter, QR is 5 centimeters. So which is also 3 by 5 centimeters. Okay, so 3 by 5, that's all. Proportion unit iragilla. Next, AC by PR. So for AC, corresponding side is PR. AC is 3 centimeter, PR is 5 centimeter, which is also equal to 3 by 5. So here all the ratios are equal to 3 by 5. That means corresponding sides are in proportion, 3 by 5. Okay, proportionality constant ಏನille, that will be equal to some constant. Proportion ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that will be equal to some constant. So here that constant value is 3 by 5. Okay, so therefore it satisfies the second condition. Corresponding sides are in proportion. So all the corresponding sides are in proportion. So but in congruence criteria dalli ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, congruence ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ corresponding sides equal ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Okay, so equal illa, corresponding sides are in proportion. So exact same measurement, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 3 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, 3 ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. So that is congruence criteria. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ just proportional ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ. So 3 by 5 ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ corresponding sides equal ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so this is the definition of similarity for any polygon. It is for any polygon. Okay, clear with this definition? Definition clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ online students? Definition clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Similarity criteria definition.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Next one. So next we have one. Okay, so your worksheet problems. Okay, first one, first worksheet problem. Yes, Sachin, can you read this question? Sachin?
Yes sir. Give an example for each of the following two congruent figure.
Okay, so you need to give one example for each of the following. The first one is two congruent figures. Two congruent figures. So an example ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ congruent figures. Congruent figures. Equilateral triangle with equal measurement, same measurement. So that means equilateral triangle with 3 centimeter is congruent to equilateral triangle with 3 centimeter. Other than that, adbit ಬೇರೆ ಏನು example ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ congruent figures. Congruent figures ಏನು example ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? So circles with same radii congruent ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Circles with same radii congruent ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Circles with same radii, circles with same radii, all the circles with the same radii are congruent. and those circles are called as congruent circles anta helತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Two types of circles ಇದೆ. One is congruent circle, another one is concentric circles. Concentric circles are congruent or similar. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ concentric circles ನಿಮಗೆ? Concentric circles similar. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So two congruent figures, circles with same radii. AB, so 5 centimeter. CD, 5 centimeters. Circles with same radii. ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Any other examples, online students? Congruent figures, squares with same measurements. Next one, two similar figures, circles with different radii. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle similar agutta isosceles triangle. So observe here, isosceles, what happens in case of isosceles triangle? So not all isosceles triangles are similar. Really different measurement irutte. So problem barodu nimage final part alli. Okay, so alli matte problem barutte, bere problem part alli. Even though ನೀವು two isosceles triangle with 2 centimeters ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ corresponding sides ratio ನ maintain ಮಾಡಕ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so that's why similar figures you can give example of equilateral triangle. All equilateral triangles are similar. Equilateral triangle with different measurements. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. All equilateral triangles are similar. So also you can give example of circles with different radii. Concentric circles. Circles with different radii. So they are called as concentric circles. So all concentric circles are similar. Circles with different radii. Next one. Similar but not congruent. Similar but not congruent. So in example ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, similar but not congruent. So all similar figures are not congruent, right? All congruent figures are similar. So similar figures need not be congruent. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು? So equilateral triangle with different measurements. So 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So observe here. So these two triangles are similar but not congruent, right? Congruent agodilla. And also circles with different radii. Concentric circles are similar but not congruent. Okay, concentric circles. So this is first example. So second, you can give concentric circles. Concentric circles. So last one is squares with different measurements. So squares ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. So corresponding angles ಎಲ್ಲ equal ಇದೆ. Corresponding sides are equal to, so corresponding sides are in the proportion 1/2. Okay, so neither congruent nor similar. Similar ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು, congruent ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಾರದು. ಯಾವುದು ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್? Neither similar nor congruent. So triangle with, so three-sided figure, any three-sided figure with any four-sided figure. So triangle with quadrilateral or parallelogram. Triangle with parallelogram. This is triangle and this is parallelogram. So these two figures are neither similar nor congruent. So it is three-sided. It is a three-sided figure, that is a four-sided figure. So you can give example of rectangle and square. Rectangle and square. What happens here? Corresponding angles are equal. First condition satisfactory, the similarity. Corresponding angles are equal, but corresponding sides are not in the same proportion. Corresponding sides are not in the same proportion. So therefore, these two figures are neither similar nor congruent. This is rectangle, this is square. Even you can consider rhombus and square. So rhombus means all the sides are equal, but angles are not equal, right? So ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Corresponding sides are in the same proportion, but corresponding angles are not equal. ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ non-similar figures and non-congruent figures. Rhombus and square. Rhombus and square also non-congruent figures. Rhombus and square. So first question clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Clear with this first question? Online students? Clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ first question?
Yes, sir.
Good. Illi? Next one. So you have one fill in the blanks type of question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. So first question, all circles are, so you have two options. One is congruent, another one is similar. All circles are congruent or similar? Similar. Why? All congruent figures are similar. So ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ circles ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? All circles are similar or congruent? All circles. For example, circle with 3 cm, circle with 4 cm. It is similar. It is not congruent. Alva? So therefore, all circles are just similar. So similar ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಏನಿದೆ? Congruent ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. Okay, similar ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ. So not all circles are similar. Only circles with same radius. So same radius ಇರಬೇಕು circle ಗೆ. So ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Congruent ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Not all circles are congruent. Okay, so circles with same radii are congruent. The same measurement ಇರಬೇಕು. Next one, all squares are similar or congruent? ಎಲ್ಲ squares. All squares. For example, square with 4 cm, square with 5 cm. Similar, right? All squares are similar. Only squares with same measurements are congruent. Okay, so this is similar. Next one, all dash triangles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. So isosceles triangle alli there is a problem with the base part. Okay, so here the correct answer is similar, similar, equilateral. Next one, two polygons of the same number of sides. Two polygons of same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. tattva are in the same ratio. Are in the same ratio. Okay, next one. Yes, Avanish, can you read this question, Avanish?
Yes, sir. Shweta has two triangular shaped nachos, ABC and DEF. Angle B is equal to angle E, angle F is equal to angle C, and AB is equal to 3DE. Which of the following is the correct about the two nachos?
So Shweta has two triangular shaped nachos. So snacks ಇದೆ ಒಂದು nachos ಅನ್ನೋದು. So ಒಂಥರ ಈ bingo mad angles ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ triangular shaped nachos ಇದೆ. So those triangles are, one is triangle ABC, another one is triangle DEF. We don't know about the measurements. So they have given angle B is equal to ABC and DEF. Angle E, so we have angle measurement, that is angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Next, angle F is equal to angle C. Angle C. Next, AB is equal to 3 times of DE. AB is equal to this side. AB is equal to 3 times of DE. AB is equal to, so ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? So angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. And AB is equal to 3 times of DE. So, and they are asking whether these two figures are congruent or similar. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? Congruent ಆಗುತ್ತಾ similar ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? These two figures, triangles.
The congruent.
Congruent. How, Sachin? ಹೇಗೆ?
By SAS rule.
SAS. Observe here. So you can't apply SAS here, right? SAA. So you have side. So they must give BC is equal to EF, and also they have not mentioned AB is equal to DE or AB is equal to DE ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. AB is equal to 3 times of DE.
So can we say AAS, sir?
AAS. So there is no criteria, right? AAS.
Sir,
Yes,
they're
sir, apply
similar
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ
but
ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
not congruent.
So you don't, you cannot apply side criteria here. Observe here 3 times ಇದೆ, equal ಇಲ್ಲ side criteria apply ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Yes, Sanghavi?
Sir, they're similar but not congruent.
They are similar but not congruent. How?
Sir, by AA criteria, they are similar, but we cannot apply any congruent criteria. Sir,
So, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನ AA criteria ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So observe here. So by by angle sum property, so since these two angles are equal, means angle A is equal to angle D, right? So by angle sum property, so that means corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, angle A is equal to angle D. So all corresponding angles are equal. So this is same for both the criteria. So for similarity or congruence, so first condition, corresponding angles must be equal. Okay, first condition ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ satisfy ಆಗ್ತದೆ, corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so next congruence ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ corresponding sides must be equal. So if you observe here, AB is equal to 3 times of DE, that means AB is not equal to DE. So that means it is not congruent. Congruent ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? AB is equal to 3 times of DE ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, equal ಇಲ್ಲ. Corresponding side, AB ದು corresponding side ಯಾವುದು? DE. Okay, so that means you can cancel A and you can delete option D also. Congruent as well as similar. Congruent but not similar. Next task is we need to find whether it is similar or not. So what they have given, AB is equal to 3 times of DE. So this is same as AB by DE is equal to 3. AB by DE is equal to 3. Okay, AB by DE is equal to 3 and the kottidare. But they have not mentioned about BC, EF and AC and DF. AC and DF ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ BC by EF ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, AC by DF ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಸಾಂಘವಿ ಸೆಡ್ ನಾವು AA ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ AA ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. AA criteria for similarity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so by that criteria it is similar but not congruent. Similar ಆಗುತ್ತೆ but not congruent.